Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Wave accounting for small business bookkeeping. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Wave accounting for your small business bookkeeping, start by navigating to the Wave accounting website. Once you are on the home page, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements. After filling in your information, click on the Get Started button. Next, check your email for a verification link from Wave. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Wave accounting website and log in with your email and password. After logging in, you will be guided through a series of initial setup steps. Provide information about your business, such as its name and type. Next, select your business location to set the appropriate currency and taxation options. You may also be asked about how you plan to manage your finances, which helps customize your experience. Once you have completed the basic setup, explore the dashboard interface. Familiarize yourself with various features such as invoicing, expense tracking, and reports. To add your bank account, navigate to the banking section from the menu. Click on to connect a new account to link your financial institution securely. Enter your bank details as prompted and follow the on-screen instructions. After connecting, your account will sync transactions automatically, simplifying your bookkeeping. Once completed, take some time to explore additional features. You can set up recurring billing, create invoices, and track expenses at this stage. Finally, consider exploring the help resources available to expand your understanding of Wave accounting's capabilities. Congratulations! You're now activated and ready to manage your small business bookkeeping with Wave accounting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.